OKFM 101.7.
The Obograta Mami Biama Kwafo a clean can yano say. Dear Dinkai, Yesuku uniform. I did my junior high school students, one better for from 2019 to 2020 academic year. Na yanko owura kwasi ben ofusu were deputy PRO Emma Ministry of Education. Nature say a visit asifua the deputy no. Kwame Memoache
Kwame anapende juju.
Kwame na bako ekura sa na ebo no Kwame obi anya time mebo kwasi oben bia. Eja ya woye kakra ye guso ye somman. Na amane no enchiremu ni sai junior high school for won be she new entade. Minim se de won de mampenda da Rollins apen so ene ba ye kumase ne ye frɛ na wura abana na ompam no kwada so asu ye bu a amenem ho no ene ompempam bi nkran ha ne ade mode foforo yaba na ho nkomo ne sai
yo ba kwame ano pay me dase me tia wa tie fo so school uniform foforo abai wa o start o cha se introduction mo tre se e ba ya che for about 30 years ni ya se ko continue abenkwan
ache
for about 30 years ni ya se ko continue abenkwan na ba kwa obeji atomu se ye ba ye ni mu kra ne do bebi ma mission schools no e prese o mu kra ko continue abenkwan o mani nye ho
oh yes
kwa ke yan se o mu de ni mo
ai
ama nei bebi ana me try there some time ago Presby na o mu se blue and white Roman for say yellow Catholic for o mu de asesa no nyina
Catholic for so na
abeka ho
o mu she white e ma no o mu de green ato ano
aha fe eti no enye ensisaya afi na eba ebi ma se so mu de dada na aka aban schools no so ho aka aban de no na aban schools no na aban kase o hwe se ne ye school no tie na se say no aban de nema ye go through a lot of reforms in the educational sector no na o hwe reforms ni bia from KGR class 1 na ba be P6 ekozi JHS no according to start class 1 na uniform of the start and one obesa kwa kodru form 3 JHS na be wo je akwa no kwa du form 3 JHS na owie BC no mu yesa o mu level exams no mayi na wo je uniform no him na bi di chi form na bi tugu ye wie school je onu se wie school no but curriculum for na aba no JHS curriculum na dey ba no is such that akwa no you prepare no for the secondary education. It is all prepare for secondary education now. My baby man and national crane will say do different stage in my education, but do different stage. Oko private schools now, black women. You want uniform or my ya do JHS and ya mawa sense to be the boys uniform. Yeah, says we more JHS for, we may a primary for. And no, it is supposed to tell the child and say on cap primary for no beam. What's in away from Colano? It's only part of the primary education. They say was started secondary education. The GS for say when you phobia and ya de mu yada na me say aban schools no me so me di biba na ye de betu dwa na e ma enkola no do P6 onye do P6 no o rough form 1 pair o say on cap primary for no biem on cap kra no biem say was started secondary education say obewie school na ye after form 3 SHS because secondary education is started from JHS 1 go 2 go 3 Ako SHS 1 ko 2 ko 3 asana we secondary education na braka obeja to mu se you asa man nyina ko US for instance akora ni 18 years ye nya no say won free school mu ko national who ni 18 years you cannot be out of school but they in kwani we JHS o ma we school no mo nam yo JHS libes bebre it's psychological ye prepare almost through the new curriculum no ye ma be so me dance and sense and ma sense there man kwani mu say they say in what starting a different level of education. It's a lonely idea that I two general say. School from now, Abano, it is to prepare the children psychologically. They say no must start a different level of education. Moon cap primary for no being. It is a must start secondary education. And no we are and yet JHS because they were starting we no at SHS. At that time, no, they can add the value onto themselves, onto themselves because curriculum now bubble for no. I see to near idea because come the way we are saying So once the curriculum after every 5 years, one should have a catchery. Yesterday from 2007, Yanyan Satire Bia Womuda. It's the only Bibia bar, etc. Colano prepare towards the world standards, media. And the Macrani was over out, now when your values be, when your knowledge be a dimu, I'll be SHS. That I know about 18, so you're 18 or 18. When you're ready for the job market. So the sort of process of Akonya or no, I trust acquire additional knowledge and value onto him or herself. It's a no idea another about the uniform.
Obani yamra curriculum no so na wokano. Ba ko mi bisa ne se nipa bi adwom se ese we no te na mo ateso e de din no mo asesa na mom no the content ndie e the same content no asesa ana edin no na ye free so kan e bosi yase u ye BK Bible knowledge e bi obi yase fe no religious and moral education na kese obehwem no na ye BK no na ye we no bibia asesa e wo curriculum no mu ne mo ye dia keke
Obakwame ne be bra asesa dia asesa kra ne first o de curriculum bi aba o first you say be sa won say wan mu na ekwa check curriculum no o mu kwa check curriculum no o manya nsuahunu bi o manya nimdia a ebetima wo ma check curriculum no na curriculum no be to na o ma nkolani fam sa no ma nya ho faso bi na say wan sa na tanke nti abai start with the teacher reforms no eno na ma ene ya me no ka say uko training colleges na o mu ye 4-year degree program teacher ni na all out from the training college or your graduate teacher teacher ni na all out from training college curriculum fufu yi na wono wakosua no training college or they ba out teacher ni na all out from training college na adwi nyina ye towards industrialization because ya ye training college university college of education be specifically to tackle technical vocational and then ICT it is go for the ba out and curriculum here aba fufu it is also geared towards industrialization because ya use ya mind say anye bibi amankra na eba out am take over am ye producers ni ekoso kra na ye ekoso ye consumers ye consuming from other states ye man entum ponda e di curriculum ebe tete ye nkola na ombedu ompanyin bre mu no na omu produce I started from the teacher front na no ka say onu no dey atu gana wa wie no finra na no ye started in service training workshops and organized training am teachers na we mu dada no omudo mu tiade no dada e de kakra o se de so so mu no mu tika ko me yasi ye be di se adwuma no amo matre ase mo matima tre ama nsatre na ehwehwe no aba na de fufu ewo ma na o bisa no e bi ewo mu ne se o hwet ye keji wona ba ya ka se education akola bia wadu ni school going age ni kwan se onante basa enti keji no across the nation no 84 kg blocks and Ministry of Education yes area ya handing over our communities no si akola bia onam obia no akonya wo so de ne ko start kg na ko kg a learning areas no mutake no kg before no na ye be 7 and so edoso dodo for a child at that level it yen hwe de hu hia no na de out model da instead of papa so bia man yen film because education is such that they say no kwani be brain na share them be brain on their own because of technology because of internet ya baby you be on my first your classroom they say hu hia bi akona betima hia sa de no in the community with interactions with playing na the true playing interactions obetima hia yen sa enunum film na kai ko no enka de hu hia de mo du de hu won faso de no say na ka ni Jesus atras e sa ne mani nya film kai ko ma be edimu e dia de kedi level no 4 na ka ni 4 hu hia akora ni be we sa 4 na okọ nanimu no na wanya nim dia hu hia for the next stage 2 curriculum no first na de one e objective based curriculum no curriculum atwane film no tremu afimu ni nyina na edru afina yi ani aye nsohwe yesi we mu na pass we mu na afeli mu amo pass ni mu ma feli nya mu nya konya copy next class na teacher ni no so atre do no so betre o tre gu mu ma feli ni so de kem no na kem na kwai de ko ni mu sa yesi there be just a new curriculum it should be a standardized based curriculum standard based curriculum na de chen say so what time kwara de no class 1 na class 1 syllabus na say akwara no say ohun from abia from 1 to 10 na make sure say akola bia o sa class 1 to 10 and son afina so o be na say o cha de na wo assessing kola no o cha de na wo assessing kola no see at every stage na wo assess na wo hwese kola no emu say na timi 1 to 10 no to hwe na say bia enum nsia bia kemu a sa enum nsia na say ye for omu ye o remedial remedy mo mu ansana o de fufu bi a de ada ka ho enti no o se kan kala no de anywhere
na je
so be catch up with their colleagues enti any one year na kola bi o class team me 1 to 10 after o bi fufu bi a be so che ka ho a what tra ka ho na de o mu akọ
Obani
any the new curriculum ye dey abey
Obani enu ehia supervision na wo be wi na problem e wo public schools ni nyina ne say yes lack of supervision enum ni ade de wo kan supervision no enum so asem maka ne say
o the education supervision GS set up no sa eyo supervision ba wo be kan na say akwa ministry any GS to anamon bi say e ko be say supervision ti no yenye partnership at that level ni enhwe o zo mo selected schools bi a ke ko into partnership a be hwe how a supervision betime tumpon go honom na ke dia hwe na ke rolling onto the mainstream I facing challenges bi a bi mo be friend privatization a o maka ma no akoye bibi e wo we e part of their working so wo butai bi say na be say wo tu sa na mo na wa enye proper supervision na wa pe kwa be fa so a wo be hwe say de o pe say ye na no na ye na de o ye no ye agu tell them my ministry no need GS extra sika say yen fa sa schools no yen pe omo mbe boaye yen introduce our supervision yen hwe say ebe ye adwuma na ya plan yen rolling over to all the other schools yen yemu kra e ade ebe koso na say ya tu sa na mo na me ni say ebe dru wonom because butai ewo ade achi e butai papa eti no sa reforms are ebe mas supervision aba at the basis level ni nyina no eno so be di akire a ebe di betudwa
oh okay na mama hwe sa school uniform me amode abai ye be kedi free ye be to ehifo ne be pam enum ne ade ade
abakwa me uche data general nra o si uniform ya abai enye uniform a o ka se wa wo GHS ne dai ene ye kwekwe sa school uniform da bi de show enye dada mono for what they call or form to factory social call baby. So my me so there dada papa so there dada or to sama or there na or try for say oh koto from or bana for any tire fufu ya be next to no mo no. Say ya da we ya fufu there dey so na for no akọ. Oh ba form one fufu so there ehun ya so ba koto o contain abenkwan yi bi. Eti kono koto fufu ya be ma oba no no fa nko. Nti say ya enu data general de to dwa be gina obi no.
Papa na sa atade ubetimi describe na my
oh atade ne atade kaki down dika no ye kaki ana ema no so be skirt kaki ana esro no fita ya sensan mu yizi dem line di dem na asensude bi wuwom ye wo school asensude graduation year ayese cap year ayese edem you will book them, you Ghana flag them. Because as part of the curriculum, you introduce our world and our community or curriculum, able imbibe the spirit of patriotism into Incolano. The current side of the party and say, Washa, Yamaya, Yomuko school, Amanoni, Yakomuko school, America. According to school, America, Bano. Now you enough American history, money, maybe ma, of the America crash any mind. Where they saw the Kokra protect America, any mind. So they may be near curriculum. Maybe enough. Issues of corruption, issues of because of lack of patriotism, or do any my mind and Masani Maniba. Yeah, that's a kind of for you. Say, I depend on the film will be no one say, I was say, and I said yes or more Ghana home mine, and I said yes or dog Ghana, and I said yes or Magana Tumpong, and I said yes Ghana or Beto, or Bejano in an improved form than Onobeto no. And no so can why I said Ghana and crowd that screen for me. Edi bra kwa me ade a yate hu se bebe ba me gidi se ni pape mo a
opani de ete ye say religious and moral education RME mo ye film ana
bra kwa me davi RME no ka maybe etwem no mo yi free mu
okay
ana religious and leaders no sorry said that the moral fabric na break it down morality break it down into mo so ensan famra GS na katra so mo dwen ro ma gya tom say ade ehun ya o say de ba because they say ya hwe ya baby ade na ekono the influence of internet ne social media no ne me koso na ne anoden ti wan pe bibi a be church nkra no wo ho mo ma hold on to their morals here abe again it is a me cry abe stand alone subject ye tre no as a full subject en ka subject bi ahun it is the Islamic religion ne e no tete no ye de aba Christian religion e tete ne de aba your traditional religion here change the aba. And you know, RME abe stand alone subject ye ba benya ho faso.
Oh, okay. Opani ye beda se pa right. Na mbisa se say awofo no de de kwakọ ne beto ye ne ye nkurase mu hu ye mobọ kakra. Ye de ka mu me feel bi. First time kura free. Nanka ye nkurase na me konye krom fui.
Rakame me so me no ka se data generate.
Awotie ni ne.
Data generate o ti pa.
Ya na wonim.
Ya na ye odi was on fa be bia benya no ama wan fa ni price ama. On fa ma contract en fa ma obia. Ti be so say ekwe no de sa se ne ba watie wi bia na o de aka ho.
De nti America san unse wo ba kurase ne se kurase gate ni ya ne wo soro de ne wo fom de. Wo ka aha. Na sa gate ni wonim ni di.
Ye fense.
Odwan kondo. Ade ye fra odwan kondo ne se wo bi ase de wo lo ko ase de no bi soro de no. Nya sa na wo bi ase de ne so de nyina wo de wo ata aburo wo ayi aduwa na mponchi ni nwan ya ba ba wi nti wo lo ko ase de na wo twe ni ti a wo ntimi nhuru ti e fe no odwan kondo. Eti we nkurasefo no ye ti ni se ye kodo ye ni ye da ba ni benya bie. Yeso akwa do pa ansan wanya bi. Nti ye na waka kire ai director se wanwene ho mayen ye na ewo epon mu ho no wai.
Kwame yo director ti o ti no. Da wonu se ni jo won ti bi a o wa ken kwa de o de be kwa dwudwi.
Mate.
Ye no consider.
Mate. Eni bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yo. Owura Kwasi Obinfosu, Deputy PRO. Eddie, my Minister of Education, you know, K101.7. So, in the Mammy, I so, Kaisa,